Hey everyone, how's it going? Today I'm going to show you guys how to draw the MOSASAURUS from Jurassic World. So to start off with this, we're going to begin with the eye. So starting right here, I'm just going to draw a little sad face like this, and then a small happy face like this. And inside of here, you just want to make a little black dot. Now, right around here, I'm going to draw a little curved line above it and a little curved line below it. Then, starting right here, I'm just going to make a little line that just kind of curves up and then goes down like this. Then, over here, I'm going to draw a little line that just kind of goes out and then it's just going to curve back in. Then starting here, you want to make a little line that's just going to go down and then it's just going to kind of curve to here. And then I'm going to kind of curve this line up and then I'm just going to go around and then back up to here and then I'm just going to curve down to here. Then right here, to make the mouth really big, you want to draw a line that's just going to curve down. And I'm going to open it up really wide down here. So just make a nice long line. Then starting here, you just want to draw a line that's just going to curve down like this. And then I'm going to curve a little line that just kind of goes up to here. I'm going to leave that space open for right now. Now starting here, I'm just going to make the chin. So you want to make a little line that kind of curves around. And it's just going to kind of follow the curve of this all the way up to here. And then it's just going to curve right around. Then starting here, I'm going to add a few little curved lines just to kind of make it look like his body is kind of curved and bending a little bit. Then starting right here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to curve out like this, and then it's going to kind of hook around just like that. Then starting here, you want to draw a line that just kind of goes down, and then this is just going to kind of curve around, and I'm just going to go around this hook, and then just kind of straight back up to kind of make it look like his flipper is kind of bent. Then starting here, I'm just going to draw a nice line that's just going to kind of curve up, just so we can get kind of like a start of the body. And then I'm just going to kind of curve this up really high, and then I'm going to bring this all the way around, and we're just going to kind of curve it all the way down to here. And then you just want to kind of keep curving this down a little bit more for the tail. Then starting here, you're just going to kind of curve this back around, make it a little bit skinnier down here, and then it's going to get wider as it comes back towards the body. And I'm just going to kind of bring this wider and wider, and I'm just going to kind of curve it right down to here. Then right here, I'm just going to kind of bring this line in just so we have kind of like a shape for the head. Now starting back here, I'm just going to draw a line that's just going to curve up, and it's going to come to a point and then just kind of curve back for one of his little back flippers. And then right over here, I'm just going to draw a line that's just going to curve down, and it's going to come around. And then I'm just going to curve back up and go back towards here for the other back flipper. Okay, so now that we have the basic shape, I'm going to start adding some of the details in here. So we want to start off over here, and we're just going to make some of the teeth. So the teeth are just going to be kind of long, pointed V shapes, all different sizes. And I'm just going to kind of put these all around here. And then when I get to here, you just want to make a little curved line that goes down. This just kind of shows where his mouth has like a little bit of skin right here. And then I'm just going to start adding some teeth on this side, just some little kind of triangle shapes, different sizes. And then I'm going to put a few more in here. Then starting here, I'm just going to draw a little line that's just going to kind of curve down like this. And then it's just going to curve back. Then right along here, I'm just going to make a few little kind of curved lines just to show that his snout is kind of like rounded. And then I'm going to make a little line that just kind of curves back here. And I'm just going to put another little line above and then below here for the eye. Then you want to make a little broken line that just kind of goes right around the mouth. And then do the same thing at the bottom. And then you just want to add some little kind of curved lines all the way around there. And I'm going to do this at the bottom as well. And then I'm just going to make some different size lines on here too. Now, over here on the fin, what you want to do, or the little flipper, is just kind of add some different little lines on each side. And then you just want to kind of make a few extra ones just kind of around here. And I'm going to put a few on this side, maybe a few little curved ones there. Then, just kind of along the body, I'm just going to make some kind of, different, just kind of curved little broken lines like this. And then I'm going to do some on the other side as well. And as you curve these, you just kind of want to pick up your pencil, marker, whatever you're using, and just so that way you have some little spaces left in there. And that just kind of gives it the effect of, kind of like showing the round shape of it. I'm just going to kind of bring some of these around. And I'm going to add a few over here. Just to kind of help make it look like it's rounded. And then I'm just going to put some little lines on the flipper here. And just some ones right around there. And just put a few of them all over here. And then I'm just going to kind of continue with some of these little kind of curved lines right around here. And just some more kind of around here. And just put a few there. And you can just kind of put some long lines around here. And then I'm just going to add a few little kind of broken lines right around the head. And just some different areas around here, around the face and everything. Now, I left this spot open down here, and the reason I did that is because I want to make it look like he's kind of going after a big megalodon shark. So, I'm just going to start right here, and I'm just going to draw a line that's just going to go across right here. Then you just want to make a big curved line for the fin. And then just want to draw a line that curves right up into here. And then you just make this go up. And then I'm just going to kind of curve this one down. And then back up. Then starting back here, just kind of draw a line that's just going to curve down. And then it's going to go in a little bit for the mouth. Then you draw a little line that just kind of curves down to here. You want to make a little curved V shape like this for the flipper. And then you just kind of curve this back up here. Then I'm just going to put another little V shape right here for another fin. And then I'm going to make a little black circle for the eye, and then a little dot for the nose. And a little line down for the mouth. And then you can just kind of add a couple curved lines for gills. And then I'm just going to make a little kind of line that just kind of runs down the side here. And then I'm just going to close up these lines and put some teeth around here. And then you can just kind of add some lines onto the tongue, and maybe a couple extra lines in the mouth. And then right back here, I'm just going to make a little line that just kind of curves down, like this, and then just kind of comes back up for that other fin. And then just kind of add some extra little lines on here. And there you go. There is your drawing of the MOSASAURUS from Jurassic World. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.